This is what happens when you give Mexicans a ball. They automatically jump into a game. We're here, live in the urban San Diego area, studying the Mexican. As you can see, once you introduce a ball into the Mexicans, they cannot do anything but play the game of soccer. We tried giving them a football. We tried giving them a baseball. But it seems that the Mexican only loves to play soccer, as they will play the game in any location. This location being a parking lot at midnight. Right now, they're going into their tribal ritual of trying to keep the ball in the air without letting it hit the ground. Their current record is 10. As you can see, the leader is the shortest one in the middle. His name is Johnny Boy. As the Mexicans try with all their might to try to keep the ball in the air, sometimes they succeed, and one is outcasted to chase the ball. At this point, it does not matter how cold the weather is or how warm the weather is. Mexicans will always find a reason to play soccer. As another older Mexican goes to get the soccer ball, he comes back a victor, kicking the ball back into play. This is again one of those traditional games where they try to figure out if they can keep the ball in the air without using their hands.
That one not so good. Gibbs is not so good.
It won't count. Next time call it. Hey, come over here.
As the circle opens up, the ball becomes slightly harder. They're chasing in a frantic manner to try to keep this ball in the air. Oh, and they just make it past 8. And it starts once again. This, again, is Mexicans in their natural habitat, playing soccer. And the Mexicans cheer in victory as they reach a new milestone at 12. 12. This puts the theory of them not knowing how to count past 10 into the books. That they do, in fact, know how to count past 10.